How to choose the winning products to run advertisements for. If you are a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner, and if you're being approached by a client to run ads for their e-commerce store, how do you select the right products to spend the advertising dollars on? That's what we're going to discuss in today's video. I'm going to share the exact step-by-step process that I follow to choose the winning products. So if you are new here and want to get more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. It will greatly help me reach out to more and more people and help them become a better marketer. So without further ado, let's start the show. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I'm your host Anthony, and we are entering episode number 33 of Becoming Alpha Marketer. This is your go-to show to become a better marketer, save time and earn more money. Now let's assume a case where you've been approached by an e-commerce beauty store to run ads for them. Now generally these e-commerce beauty stores or any e-commerce fitness stores, whichever e-commerce company you take, most of them will have more than one product. Okay, so typically a beauty store will have say 30 to 40 products. Again, let's do an assumption here, and they have products like face wash, hair oil, they will have conditioner, shampoo, face cream, under eye cream. There's so many different products they will have. Now you cannot run advertisement for all their products. Okay, if you do, you will lose a lot of money. Okay, so the fact is that not all products that are on the store have equal demand. Some products will have high demand, some products will not have that good enough demand. Okay, so as a marketer, it will be smart of you to find those products which has high demand so that you can start running ads for them. So let me explain this to you. This is a simple graph. So if you see this graph, on one axis you have the demand, on the other axis you have the products. Okay, you have so many products, but some products have high demand. So if you have high demand products, which means it will be easy for us to sell those products on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or Google. Okay, so which means you will also have less cost per acquisition. So these products can be identified, and for these you can start running Facebook ads and Google ads and YouTube ads. Okay, now the other products which don't have that much high demand, but still they are great products, they can be used for upselling and cross-selling. So the people whom we acquired as customers using the front end, high demand products, to the same customers we can start recommending the other products which don't have that much high demand. Okay, so what you can do is you can start recommending these products using a post-purchase upsell. So what is a post-purchase upsell? When you go and buy a product on an e-commerce site, after the purchase, they will start recommending other products. They will say that, people who purchase this also purchase this particular product, okay, or commonly purchase together. So Amazon does this really well. They do very good upsells and cross sells. You can just go and check that out. Okay, and one more technique we can use is we can use retargeting ads. Now that we know our customer information, we can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Google, and tell specifically to run ads for our existing customers and promote this other products that you have on the store. Okay, then you can even send emails. Email marketing is very powerful for cross-selling and upselling. And then you can even send SMS, text messages, or WhatsApp messages to cross-sell and upsell. And the last one is basically you can do telecalling. You can even have an in-house telecalling team who can actually call the customers, ask for feedback, build a rapport with them, and start recommending other products that you have on your store. Okay, so this will be an effective way to sell your e-commerce products profitably. Okay, so the idea is don't spend money on all the products on your store. You have to identify the winning product which has high demand and you can acquire customers at a lower cost. Okay, so how do you find those products? First option is you go ahead and start running ads for all the products and then find out which one has lower cost per acquisition. Now this is going to be super expensive and it will burn a lot of money. So do stay away from this. The other option is a simple competitor analysis. Okay, so all you have to do is list down the top 5 competitions of your client. Okay, and then go to this Facebook ads library. This is the link. It's a free tool by Facebook itself, where you can see your competitors ads that they are running right now. Okay, and then once you go and check their Facebook ads library interface, you can find out a pattern in the kind of products they are running ads for. Okay, I'll show you an example. Let's assume if I am being approached by an e-commerce beauty marketplace company to run ads. So a marketplace is something that does not own a product. They act as an aggregator and sell other small companies' product under their website. Okay, similar to Amazon. Okay, now let's assume I've been approached by an e-commerce beauty marketplace. Okay, now they have more than 2,000 odd products listed on the website. Now I cannot go ahead and run ads for all the products listed on the website. Instead, what I will do is I will go and find out their competition. Okay, now let's assume the target audience for this particular company is the US. Okay, now what I have to do is I have to find a similar marketplace company in the US, and after I did my research, one company that came to my mind is Sephora. So Sephora is into skincare, makeup, hair care, all kinds of products they have, and they sell thousands of products. Okay, but it will be not wise to spend money on all these things. Instead, let's find out on which products they are actually spending money on. So you can go to Facebook ads library and search for Sephora. Okay, and you can find the various products they are advertising on. So you can see the ads here. After you analyze these ads, you will find a pattern that they are heavily investing in advertising some 10 to 15 products. They have thousands of products on the site, but they're not advertising all those thousands of products. Instead, they will be focusing on some 10 to 20 products, and for those products they will have multiple ads. Okay, so you will find a pattern in this. Similarly, you can find more such companies like Sephora. See their Facebook ads library page and find out where they are investing money. After analyzing some 4 to 5 competitors, you will have a pattern. Okay, in that you will clearly identify that some 5 to 10 products which they are heavily betting on. So you also select the product which are very similar to what they are betting on, and then see how you can give a better product or better service or better experience to your customers, and then start running advertisements for those products through your store. Okay, that's how you choose a winning product to put your money on, or put your client's money on. So this simple technique will save you a lot of time and money and help you achieve faster success. Okay, this is something that I recommend to all my students in my Freelancer Academy. Okay, now if you are someone who wants to become a freelance digital marketer or start a digital marketing agency and you want to get coached by me, then I have a free program. It's called the 6-step formula to become a freelance digital marketing consultant, be your own boss, work from home, and enjoy doing what you love. It's a free training. All you have to do is go to this link, alphamarketer.in/coaching, and in this training you will get a clear idea on what it takes to become a freelance digital marketer and what it takes to start a digital marketing agency. Okay, now at the end of this free training, I will be inviting you to my 12-week intensive coaching and mentorship program. This is a very, very advanced program where you can work with me and my team, and we will coach you to become a freelance digital marketer. And if you want to start a digital marketing agency, we'll also guide you with that. Now, this is not for everybody. It's by application only. So at the end of this training, you will have to fill in an application form, and if you're the right fit, then one of my team members will get in touch with you, and then we can work together and make you a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner. So make the best use of this opportunity, and I hope you enjoy this video. And once again, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.